My dear, shall I place my hand on your heart to check its speed?
Oh, stop it, you joker. Focus on the dog instead. Another day, another mess with these creatures. Let them play, Noori. They're my army. Gulab, save me! This dog's...
My love, add 2 spoons of affection instead of sugar in the tea.
Oh, you fool. Stop making me laugh.
Why not cook this naughty rooster today? It troubles my beloved.
Oh, dear. Shall I add an extra spoon of love if needed?
My darling, your cat and rooster are all jealous of my love for you.
That's because they love me more than you do.
Come on, Gulab, it's time to feed the chickens.
Throw me a grain too, my love. I'm starving for your attention.
Oh, you silly man.
Good thing my love's rivals are fighting each other.
Shut this dog down, Gulab.
On it, my queen!
Eat well, my little earners. Keep the house running.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और अपनी राय कमेंट्स में जरूर दें। शुक्रिया।